Welcome to this tutorial on how to report on Google Analytics 4 setup. Google Analytics 4 is the latest version of Google Analytics, and it provides a more comprehensive and accurate way of tracking website and app data. To start reporting on Google Analytics 4 setup, you need to have a Google Analytics 4 property set up in your account. If you don't have one, you can create it by going to the admin section of your Google Analytics account and clicking on Create Property. Once you have your Google Analytics 4 property set up, you can start reporting on your data. The first step is to navigate to the Reports section of your Google Analytics 4 account. Here you can find various reports such as real-time reports, acquisition reports, behavior reports, and conversion reports. The real-time report shows you what is happening on your website or app right now. The acquisition report shows you how your users are arriving at your website or app. The behavior report shows you what your users are doing on your website or app. And the conversion report shows you how many users are completing your desired actions. To get the most out of your Google Analytics 4 reports, you need to set up events and conversions. Events are user interactions with your website or app, such as button clicks or video plays. Conversions are completed actions such as purchases or form submissions. You can set up events and conversions by going to the Configure section of your Google Analytics 4 account and clicking on Events or Conversions. Here you can create new events and conversions and define their parameters such as category, action, and label. Best practices for reporting on Google Analytics 4 setup include regularly checking your reports to stay up to date with your data, setting up events and conversions to track your desired actions, and using the various reports to gain insights into your users' behavior. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of your Google Analytics 4 setup and make data-driven decisions to improve your website or app.